Hi, my name is Konstantin Konstantinov. I'm the author of the book Black Hole Inside the Earth, and I have discovered the universe, as much as strange that might sound to all of you. Now, what the astronomers know today is about 15% of what I almost know, but work has to be done. Now they don't have a clear idea of what matter is. They assume nonsense from the Greeks that what is in the earth, same is in the entire universe, and that is not true. What is all over the universe, most of it, is not what is on the earth. That's what is on the earth, and what we observe, and what is in the laboratories, and what we see is about 3, maybe 5%, I don't know, between 1 and 5% of the entire universe, and there's no way it's 5%, it's between 1 and 3%. And this matter that we observe and know and think that the entire universe is made of it, actually, as I say, 3%. The rest is unknown to them. They don't know. They talk. And those talkers are many historically, and right now. Basically, most of the astronomers right now, those people who read, learn, and can teach other children what they learn, but they cannot think. So the thinkers like me are a little bit hard to find. Anyway, so we have 3 types of matter. And matter is very interesting also. In detail, they let us define what matter is. Because when I tell you right now that matter is indestructible, and there is no energy without matter, so all energy is matter. All energy is together with matter, because they cannot exist one without the other. And you're fixed right now, humans, on Einstein, who say what? E equals mc squared. E does not equal m whatsoever. And c squared is absolute nonsense. And right now, I will explain to you. First of all, the speed of the light is not a speed limit of the universe. This is baloney. No, but hey. So they say, oh, electrons move that. This is the highest speed possible. That's not the case. That is not the case. The light consists of, let's say, 4 lights, 4 different colors. There are more, but let's put the 4. And they are a red, yellow, green, and a blue. Those are the lights. Between the blue and the red, the speed of these lights is different. So when Einstein say, all the colors came together, that's not true, Mr. Einstein, because a red light is 700 nanometer, then the blue, which is 400. Therefore, the blue light is faster than the red light. And if somebody, it's not that difficult, develop a fast aperture to capture what comes first and comes from remote source, they'll see clearly that the first light that comes is a blue light, because the blue light is faster than red light. But if you want to catch this from the sun, which is very close to us, and and this because the distance is too close and the speed is too much to very little difference, and that difference cannot appear at that close competition between the lights. So, what kind of matter we have? First, what is matter? Matter is the basic building particles of the atom. This matter is indestructible. And if this in CERN in Switzerland, they're banging two protons or whatever, I don't know. I should have read about it, but please understand, I have discovered the universe. I'll take a look on garbage they're doing there. I don't know what they're doing. Matter is indestructible. And you see, atom is destructible, but atom is compound. It's made of basic building particles. So is the proton neutron. So the basic cannot be destroyed. Now today the scientists are living with some absolute deceptions. And they carry this deception and they call themselves PhD. They're on TV, on YouTube, number one on YouTube. I'm on number 1 million. Hey, what can we do? Now, so matter is indestructible. The indestructible elements of the matter are the basic building particles of the atom. And the atom consists also of other particles that compound. So atom can be destroyed, these particles can be destroyed, but the basic building particles, they're indestructible. And they're alive. They're alive. They're alive forever. Defines the universe. Keep in mind that I am 85% ahead of all scientists all over the world. I don't care, they're Chinese, Russians, Americans, Europeans. I'm number one. I'm trying to write an article and they say, oh, your article has to be looked at your peer review. So the peers have to review me. Well, I'm 85% ahead of the peers. Well, how these peers can judge me? Oh, okay, he's crazy. They don't know. They're lying to you. And I'm thinking about the word lying. They don't want to lie to you. They don't know. And so they say, oh, I don't know what's going on. I tell you what's going on. But would you listen? No, I don't want to listen. I don't want peer review. Sure. Then I'm dead or I'm not. Because I'm not PhD. Then I announce that I'm demigod. I don't have any recourse against these people, against the definition. And through these requirements of peer review, they gag me. Hey, they gag me. I've been gagged all my life, but they gag the truth. And you cannot discover the universe. Because I didn't discover, I want to tell you, but they never know everything. Now, today there is global warming. This global warming is not because of human activity only. Because of human activity, this global warming might be 10%. And you immediately have to ask, what caused the rest of the 90%, 90? Another celestial body. And then there's another planet. Blah, blah, blah. Where is planet? Would you look at it? But I tell you how blind they are, I tell you. And who made them blind? And I'm gonna use the word idiots like Hawking, Einstein, Hubble, Doppler, and Newton. Now let me start with Newton. Newton have discovered nothing. Why? Things fall to the ground. Every monkey, dog, bird know that everything thrown up falls down. So what he discovered, he observed, but he made the assumption that this gravity that pulls things to the ground commands the whole universe and commands the moon going around the earth and the earth going around the sun and other planets going around the sun. And here his idiotic assumptions. A celestial body stay in a place or is moving on an even speed. I tell you why he needs even speed. So he invented this angular momentum baloney. And today, or the people believe that there is angular momentum, gravity is garbage. Gravity exists. There is a limit which a guy called Roach, I cannot pronounce his name, Roach, French, say if something is above, there is no gravity. If something falls into this, limit, Roach limit, things fall down. Now, beyond the Roach limit, there is no gravity. This is influence. But keep in mind that mathematicians and scientists have discovered other planets through thinking that this is gravity. They say, well, Uranus is disturbed by something. What is it? Turn out that it's Neptune. And they say, well, you see gravity. It's not gravity, ladies and gentlemen. And this is not some empty on my part. Oh, it's not. And it is. If you don't understand what I'm saying and you reject it, then you don't understand the global warming, which is caused by another celestial body. And this will cause to you discomfort, confusion, and possible end of the life on the earth. Not because of you, but because of this body. So this body is coming toward us, straight toward us? No. It's coming up askew. Where it could go when the sun is here? The sun commands the solar system. That's why it's solar system. Because the commander-in-chief is the sun. And the sun said, go around me. That's what it said. And keep in mind that anything I say is I can explain it 100%. And I have written a book called Black Hole Inside the Earth, available on Amazon. And you can read it. And you can know, you would know far more, 85% more, than all the scientists that repeat the same thing. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm concluding. Bye-bye.